napaka-innocuous looking ang word na according to international standards. Kasi tayong mga Pinoy, pag sinabing international standard, okay na sa atin eh. Pinapalusot na natin, hindi natin ini-investigate. So because they did not investigate what those international standards are, now there's only one way to interpret this Senate bill, that it is only in reference to the UNESCO guidance na sinabi ko. So that's dangerous. So hindi nga nila naintindihan. Itong UNESCO International Technical Guidance on CSE, 2016 ang update dito, no? If I'm not mistaken, nasa 140 pages ito. I would invite everyone, especially legislators and their staff, you go through it. And I hope we can give them the link here, no? But when you look at it, masyashock kayo kasi meron talagang mga suggested curriculum na. Nandun sa curriculum ang mga unimaginable concepts such as talking about masturbation, talking about oral and anal sex, talking about practicing the use of condoms so that it's effective. So, legislators, Filipino parents, educators, pakibasa po. 140 something. Kaya nyo po yan. You can go by it and you will see that eventually, ino-normalize ang sexual activity, regardless of whether it's in a casual relationship or a long-term marriage relationship. Normal lang yan. Mature yan. At ang sexual activity includes choice. Meaning, sa bata yon. You choose when, with whom, and how to have sex. Ang importante lang doon, huwag mabuntis at huwag magkaroon ng sexually transmitted disease. Oh, tama ba yan? Na yan ang objective mo? Hindi naman tayo hayop lang eh. We have higher goals. Just imagine, we are just materialistic creatures na walang transcendent goal, walang ambition to forge a society na may higher values. That's the entirety of the document. You'd better go and see it for yourselves, legislators. Pinupush nyo ang taong bayan sa precipice na talagang, karumal-dumal na kinabukasan ang hahantungan natin. Nakakakilabot na nandito tayo sa bangin ng alanganin na anytime magkamali ang legislators natin, talagang ikamamatay ng isang henerasyon. Kaya't it is time na tayong mga Pilipino na nagbasa na nitong UNESCO guidance na ito, ay kalampagin na natin ang mga legislators at sabihin, hey, tingnan nyo, dadalhin nyo kami sa lugar na ayaw naming puntahan, yung mundo na nagkakagulong Western ideology tungkol sa sexuality, yan ang ayaw natin. Kaya, andito tayo para marinig ang boses nating mga Pilipino.